Hi, welcome to Let Us Bake. I'm Jean.
And I'm Rachel.
Rachel, what are we making today?
We are making orange dreamsicles.
Ooh, yummy, Rachel. What do we need to make it?
Well, you're going to need popsicle molds, 1 cup of whipped cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, orange food coloring if you want to make your creamsicles pop with color, and a 1/2 cup of orange juice. Jean, get started. Bye.
Okay.
Or you can go to the store and buy some. Let's get started. This recipe is so simple. We're going to add our cream, sugar, and vanilla into the bowl of the stand mixer and turn it on. We're going to mix until just before it hits soft peaks.
Here you go.
Oh, thanks, Jean. Ooh, I'm gonna need a little more. Back to work. Oh, that's good, fresh squeezed. Now fold in your orange juice. To give our orange dreamsicle a little extra boost, we like adding a little food coloring. We prefer using the gel. A little bit of color goes a long way. Now let's fill the popsicle molds. I wonder what Jean's doing. And pop these in the freezer for 6 to 24 hours.
You got it.
Perfect. Perfect.
That was a lot of work.
I have no idea what you mean, Jean.
Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake. If you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends.
Join us next time. You never know what we're going to be making.